Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to change lock screen wallpaper in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to wallpaper and style, and here select change wallpaper option and click on device wallpaper. Here you can select any wallpaper from the system itself. I would like to select this one and click on lock screen and click on this tick mark and click on lock screen here. Yes, lock screen wallpaper has been now changed to what I selected here. Put lock in your phone and see the changes. Suppose if you would like to set any photo as wallpaper, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again go to these settings, then go to wallpaper and style, and here select change wallpaper and click on my photos and give all permissions, and gallery will be loading here. Click on camera folder. I click on camera folder here. This is camera folder in internal storage, and click on the photo that you would like to select as wallpaper settings and click on tick mark finally and click on lock screen. So the selected photo has been applied as lock screen wallpaper. Put lock in your phone and see the changes. Lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I selected from gallery photo. If you would like to change back to default wallpaper, go to the settings again and go to wallpaper and style and click on change wallpaper and click on device wallpaper and select default one. Okay, here I would like to select this one and click on tick mark, click on lock screen, and the selected wallpaper is now set in lock screen. Put lock screen and see the changes. So in this way you can easily set any system available wallpaper for lock screen or any photo as wallpaper for lock screen. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.